Hi, I'm Dave and I'm here to pass along a few quick tips on painting a front door. Now the front door is a great place to add curb appeal, and it's one of the areas of your house where you can add a little style or show off your personality. Let's get started. First, tape off and/or remove the hardware, and tape off the windows. The door we're painting is metal, and it's been painted already, so it doesn't require a primer, except for in those areas where there's a little bit of rust. You're going to want to sand those down and then apply the primer. Now the paint color you use is up to you, but I use PPG paints, trusted by pros like me for over 130 years. For a bold statement, consider a standout red or magenta. If bright isn't your thing, but you want something unique and modern, you can choose a vivid purple, a deep indigo, or even a midnight blue. For a more formal look, consider a classic black. Here's a tip: if you're painting a vinyl or fiberglass door, dark colors may cause warping. For this job, I'm going to go with a Crimson Lake blue. Cut in the taped off and inlaid areas first, and use a short roller brush on everything else. Oh, and here's a tip: if the door is wood, paint along the wood grain. Another tip: make sure to check your corners, because the paint's going to have a tendency to build up there. To prevent accidentally removing paint from your door, remember to score the edge of the tape before you remove it. Remember, be sure to check the can for drying time. Now you have not just a beautiful door with some style, but a great first impression. We'll see you on the next painting project.